Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI tool in educational category for absolutely free with zero coding knowledge as a complete beginner. Okay, so the tool what you are seeing on the screen is built by myself with zero coding knowledge and zero experience with zero investment. And if you like to know the exact roadmap how I've done it, you can please check out the link in the description down below. Get registered, watch my free masterclass, and get inside my community. So you get step-by-step guidance on creating the same exact application which creates you unlimited apps. Okay, so let's get started with today's session. Now this is how it looks, the dashboard, and you are also going to get the same kind of dashboard. First, I'm going to click on create your first project. So once I click on that, I would be prompted with two different options. First one is AI suggest an idea, which like you don't have any idea, then you can move on with AI suggest an idea. And if you already have an idea, you can move on with I already have an idea. So there is a small questionnaire. You need to fill up those details so that your app would be ready. Cool. So at present, I don't have any idea. So I'm going to click on get AI suggestions. So once we click on AI suggestions, here we are going to get prompted with 50 plus categories. Okay. You can create AI tools or softwares inside these 50 plus categories. And also you can add even more if you're interested. So right now we are going to do it in educational category. So I'm going to select education and click on continue. So once I click on continue, here we are going to get three different options. Easy, medium, and hard. So if you are a complete beginner, I insist you to move on with easy. And if you already built few softwares earlier, you can move on with medium and hard. Why? Because there are integrations and robust logic included in this both kind of like applications. Cool. So right now I'll be showing you an easy way of doing application. And once you are into the community, we can build medium and hard way of applications. So once I click on easy, and here you can click on generate ideas. So what does it do? AI will be analyzing the high demand market from forums, Reddit, Quoras, and also some other different platforms. I'm going to get those information and convert those into applications. Okay, so it is going to work on real-time pain points. Okay, so once we get, so it would be taking a little bit of time. So we have already got it. So I've already done it, guys, and these are few of the ideas. You can please pause and read how these ideas are generated. So this is first two ideas, second two ideas, okay, and last two ideas. So if you're not happy, you can click on get 6 more ideas, and we'll be getting 6 more ideas over here. Now, you know, this precog, I feel like this is one of the best idea. You can see teachers provide a topic or a few open-ended questions to students, and students input short text responses describing what they know, and precogs AI instantly analyzes these responses, identify key concept, okay, highlights common misconceptions, and pinpoint knowledge gaps, providing the teacher with a rapid actionable overview of the class prior knowledge. Okay, this is one of the great idea that no one would be following this kind of idea. So if teachers would follow this kind of idea, then they are going to find out the gap in between the students, and they can target particular student and explain clearly to that. Okay, so I'm going to select this idea, and now you can see here you'll be coming across with refine your idea. You can go with the problem and the solution. If there is anything you need to add, you can do it, and if you're fine with that, you can click on start this project, and here you're going to get the project overview and the market score. When I scroll a bit down, you can see key features, product details, and also pricing structure. And click on market, and here you're going to get market analysis and build the buzz, defensive strategy. You can please pause and read it how this would be working, and also key risk and mitigation and financial lens, how much you're going to make and when you're going to get your first customer and etc. Everything you're going to get it over there, and also opportunity breakdown. Okay, build this first in 6 to 8 weeks. Now I'm going to click on customize, guys. Now you're going to get this same exact navigation steps. Okay, for that purpose you need to go and visit the link in the description, get registered, and watch the free masterclass. If you're interested, get into my community to get this exact same blueprint. And also, guys, make a note, with this single software you can create unlimited software, monetize it, and start making money with affiliate marketing, Google ads, and also you can sell it as a standalone software, market it and sell it sell it online, so that you can make a lot of money. Cool. Now here you will be having a future selection, nice to have, should have, and must have. And also there is another option coming up soon where you can even add more ideas over here. Now once you click on build, you can see there are two different options got prompted. First one is lovable.dev. So there is a mega prompt over here. You need to copy it, go to lovable.dev, paste it, and click on enter. And then after here you'll be coming across with a few other prompts. You need to follow each and everything step by step so that your application will be created on lovable.dev. This is a full stack development platform and it's a paid way to create these applications. Okay, if you have any budget, then you can move on with lovable.dev. If not, there is another option, and here you can do one thing. Scroll a bit down, see you can have Google AI Studio build. Okay, so copy the main prompt, go to Google AI Studio, open the first link, paste the prompt, and click on build. Okay, within 5 to 10 minutes of time, your application will be ready. Okay, it would be looking like this, and you can see know what they don't know before you teach. And also there are 5 different prompts over here. I request you to please follow each and every prompt step by step so that your application will be created. And here know what they don't know before you teach. This is what the concept is. And here, stop guessing. Precog uses AI to analyze short text responses, surfacing hidden misconceptions and knowledge gaps in seconds. Okay, now I'm going to click on get started, enter a random email and password, and click on sign up. So once I click on sign up, you can see this is how the dashboard looks, and you can refresh the dashboard once you host this in the Google ecosystem. Everything is discussed inside the community, guys. You need not to get worried. Why? Because we are going to work with Google ecosystem. And now you can see once I click on new analysis, here you can see new pre-assignment analysis. So if a teacher starts this, and he or she would be entering a topic over here, and according to the roll numbers, students will be providing the answers. And once the answers are entered, teacher will be clicking run analysis. Boom, he'll be coming to know the misconceptions and total students analyzed. Okay, each and every detail teacher would be getting, and he'll be finding out where this misconceptions found from which roll number, so that he can concentrate on that person and give in detail strategies to get the information. Okay, this is just one of the tool, and if you build an expert kind of web application, so this will be a part of that tool. Okay, part of that platform. There will be a complete system when you build an hard way of application. So guys, I hope this makes sense. Like, my software can create miracles with just click of a button. If you don't have any experience into coding or building softwares, this is a way to get started. And if you have an idea, you can make use of I already have an idea option to create your own software. Cool. So if you need the exact blueprint, as I said, check out the link in the description, get registered for the free masterclass, and get into the community. All right, so create unlimited softwares. I'll catch you on the other video. Have a great day. Bye bye.